hello everyone. Today I am showing in another video. This is including in geoprocessing toolbox. So previously we have showing the two video in geoprocessing toolbox, and this is the third video. So today I am showing in the how to use in Cliff. Okay. In geoprocessing toolbox. So at first I have to you have to know this option will be shown in the vector layer and in geoprocessing tool, and this in this option in the clip. Okay, then you have to click in clip, then the clip panel to be open, then you have to clip in a one algorithm. So this is a vector layer using a features in additional polygon layer. Only the part of features in the input layer that fall within the polygon of the overlay layer will be added to be resulting layer. Okay, so I have using two data, and that is the one road data, all India road data, and one polygon layer. This is the Jhargram AOI layer. Okay, so this is the road data of all of India, and I have only used in Jhargram district AOI. Okay, so I have to only in this Jhargram boundary a road to uh, in clip in this road. Okay, so we have to use in this clip processing toolbox. So at first you have to click input layer, you have to select in the road layer. Okay, and overlay layer will be in Jhargram district AOI. Okay, so here is the already brief. So overlay layer will be uh, clip in this route. Okay, then I do not have to save in this my local system, so I have to go to in run button. When you have to click run, then the process will be done and the tab will be closed. Okay, the clip layer to be on in the layer panel. Okay, so I have to off in the road layer panel. Okay, so only clip in this AOI of Jhargram district will be clip in this road. Okay, so only in this AOI के अंदर जितने भी रोड है to will be clip in this boundary. Okay, so this is the process. So how to clip in particular area of boundary to clip this using data. Okay, तो जिसको डेटा चाहिए, सपोज यू हैव टू यूज इन एंड आई हैव टू यूज इन द झारग्राम डिस्ट्रिक्ट बाउंड्री, बट आपको जो भी एरिया का चाहिए होगा तो आप पहले उस डेटा को ओपन कर लीजिए, देन यू हैव टू यूज इन दिस बाउंड्री इन योर बाउंड्री एंड प्रोसेस टू क्लिप द रन. ओके, तो you have to easily to clip this data in your requirement. Okay, so I think this video is very helpful, and this is the third part of geoprocessing toolbox for using in one algorithm. Okay, thank you so much.